Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Montell Fish here. He's been with us before, and this time we have Scream My Name. That's the title of the song. So what we have here is 4 different chords we're going to handle. So we're going to do that with capo on the 1st fret. Let's go with that. So I'll start with the chord run through here. D minor is the first chord, so that is played open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Right, next chord is C. That is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have A minor, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then the final chord is F. And that's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 1st fret where you cover all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Alright, so we have the 4 chords D minor, C, A minor, and F. Now let's take a look at the strumming pattern. And if you start with the final chord we just learned, the F, so grab that bar chord and one string round will be like this. Okay, so that is to play down, down, up, up, down, down. So, okay, so down, down. So 2 downs with pauses in between, and then comes up, up, down, down. I like to emphasize the 2nd down, so down, down, okay? And that is pretty much where the beat comes as well, so that is more prominent. So down, down, more of a full down stroke, a little bit more decisive there. So the 1st down could be just a shorter touch or down on the bass strings, and then to really emphasize that 2nd down. And then comes up, up, down in a normal way. And then the final down, you're going to play that in the same way as the 2nd down, more of a distinct, prominent, full down. Because that is where the clap or the beat comes as well. So the 2nd down and the final down give them a little bit of an extra kick there. So it goes like this. Right, so we have a main part that is played most of the time for the song, and it goes D minor, 1 full round, then A minor, 1 full round, and F, 2 full rounds, like this. That is 1 round. D minor 1, A minor 1, and F2. Then sometimes at 3 different points here, or stems in the song, we have a different chord progression, and it goes D minor 1, and then comes C1. Instead of A minor, you play C, and then F2. So you're gonna play that, and it goes like this. Right? Exactly in the same way. And that happens in the beginning of the song. You're going to play 1 round of that, D minor 1, C1, and F2. And then you go back to play the main part. And then the 2nd time that happens is at 49 seconds into the song. You're going to play again the chord progression with the C. This time you play it for 2 full rounds. Okay? So D minor 1, C1, F2 for 2 rounds. And then you go back to play the main part again with A minor, and then the final time I believe is about 1 minute and 52 seconds into the song. You're gonna go back to the C part again and play that for 2 rounds and then back to the main. So 3 times in the song, the beginning, 49 seconds, and 1 minute and 52 seconds into the song. Otherwise, that is pretty much how I handle Montell Fish Scream My Name. You don't have to scream Gordon Guitar my name here. It's not necessary, but you can subscribe to this channel. In that way, you support me. You can also like this tutorial if you in fact did. So thank you everybody, and until next time, play tuned.